There can't be a better scripture than this right here. Revelation chapter 21, verse 3. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, "Look, God's dwelling place is now among the people. He will dwell with them. They will be His people. And God Himself will be with them and be their God." Finally, the curse is gone. Finally, the relationship is restored. And God will be with His people like it was always meant to be. And look what He says. They will see His face. And His name will be written on their foreheads. I think about Toy Story where Andy writes his name on the boot of his toy, Woody. And that's what God's doing. He's saying, "You are mine. No one can take you from me." God's name is written on our foreheads. He's ready to dwell with His people. And the only question we should ask, will you be there? And the only person that can keep you from being there is you. It's your choice.